welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. How y'all doing? No intro, no outro, just this hoe. Hope you're having a good Friday. Oh, if we could only bottle up that feeling when you clock out from work on a Friday, looking into a weekend. Oh, I'd become addicted for sure. Let's see what's going on. Things seem to be getting on my nerves more since this whole thing started. I mean, like my husband's chewing, little things like that. Nothing seems to be new on TV or Netflix or any of the other thousands of channels we have. I'm telling you, the incessant whistling my old girl makes when I go pee. Oh, I shouldn't have told y'all that. The joys of getting older. Let's see. Oh, this is a big one. How when you take a shower today, you wish that shower would last 3 or 4 days, but it never does. Let's see. What else? Oh, so on the 20th, which I guess, what's today, 17th? So 18, 19, 20. Yeah, Monday, they will be instituting, did you guys see this in the news? Walmart will be instituting this whole mask thing, like mandatory. You gotta wear a mask or you can't shop. So I've decided on Monday morning, me and the family will go get a really nice front door spot at Walmart. We're not gonna go in. We're just gonna watch as people go crazy and turn into Karens. I just think that'll be entertainment you can't put a price on. We were at Sam's the other day. True story again, guys. We were at Sam's on Sunday, and we were just walking down an aisle. Another couple was there. We always wear a mask. You do what you got to do. I'm not telling you nothing. I'm just saying for me, that's what we were having to do. So we had our mask on, and this other couple that was, walking past us, they didn't have one on. Whatever, that's your choice. I'm not going to be responsible for you. But the guy said, in our direction, "You can't make me wear no bleeping mask. Blank these people." And I was like, oh, well, excuse me. Me wearing a mask is hurting you. I'm so sorry. No, he really did say that. We were kind of like, wow, well, I never. Clutching my pearls. I don't have any pearls. Anyway, I have some unboxings for you. So remember my last video, I did some Amazon luxury. I know that people, I'll probably say this every time I ever do, if I do any more Amazon, people get really mad. So for some people, that's a real trigger. So I'm sorry about that. I apologize. I hope that when you guys see the thumbnail that it's Amazon and it makes you angry, don't click on it, please. And I apologize that it triggers some people. I really do. I hate that. But anyway, I was mad in the video about Louis Vuitton. I texted them. The little girl that texted me back, she was kind of like, Well, I don't know if she handed that off to somebody. I don't know how the whole thing works. It's just out there in the ethers, man. I don't know how anything works. So I got a text back on the same thing from a different girl because she identified herself as Megan. This other girl was like Marie or something. So it was a totally different girl, and she was very accommodating, hooked everything up that I needed, checked on things, sent me pictures of bags. I mean, she was cool as a fan. So maybe she's going to be my new SA. Now, I did text her again the next day, and she hasn't responded, but maybe she's off. Who knows? We'll just wait and see. So I bought the Infrarouge. Remember that debacle? I bought it. I loved it from afar. I got it here out of the box, and it wasn't. My heart is sinking. It was. Oh, it's okay. I didn't love it. And for that kind of money, I have to love it. That is my one rule, or it goes back. And I don't mind because I don't get to shop in a lot of places. Nobody is really right now. But even when there's no pandemic going on, I don't get to a lot of places because I live far away. So buying online and getting it here and then inspecting it here is, I do that quite a bit. As a matter of fact, I unboxed a scarf, a Twilly from Louis Vuitton, I don't know, a month or so ago. I don't remember how long ago it was, but I sent that back. I just did not like the feeling of it. So if I'm not into it, I don't care. If it just cost me $5, she's going back. Mommy's not got time to waste one dime because I got some serious shopping to do. So anyway, I bought something from the Real Real in place of that Infrarouge. In place of, let me rephrase that, in place of the Palm Springs PM Infrarouge backpack. So I have on some gloss today over my YSL lipstick. What do you guys think? Ooh. My friend did me a favor buying me that YSL lipstick. It's amazing. I'm going to link it for you. Anyhow, I did shop on the Real Real in place. You know, I was like, I gotta replace that Infrarouge. I gotta find something, guys. So I did. And you guys are like, well, that's not a bag. That's not a... It's not. I feel like if I just have a little piece of Infrarouge, I'm cool with that. So, what did I get? I seriously think this was a VIP gift that year. I don't know. But I did get a small piece. It's just a little envelope pouch. Envelope pouch. I can't speak today. Vachetta on the back, which is already, it's got a few places on it. It's not too bad. But somebody's put this in their purse and carried it. I'm okay with that because for over $2,000 less, I found this, which did make me happy because then I was able to buy, you know, some Coach stuff, some other stuff I'm going to unbox. So I was all good with that. Probably, I didn't even spend, you know, I sent that back and did not repurchase a bunch of stuff. Well, okay, I had already had a bunch of stuff. You guys know my shopping's out of control. But anyway, it came with the Real Real thing that didn't have any place to hook it to. So if I wanted to return it, I guess I could. Another little tag. Sorry, I'm getting choked up today. And it has the LV in a circle on the little cutout there, which I thought was kind of cute. Just something to stick in my bag. I guess I could carry this as a humongous card holder. This is the card holder for Giants. It's huge, but huge in the sense of a card holder, but, you know, too small to carry as a little bag or a clutch or anything. But I just wanted Infrarouge a little kiss of it. I didn't need a whole bag. Not at this time. So I was very, very glad to have found this. I think people thought I was kidding because I was talking to some people on Instagram and I was like, I just need a little teach, a little soo-song of Infrarouge today. I don't need the whole kitten. Alright, so it did come with a dust bag. I don't know if this is I think they just threw this in. It doesn't really, it's kind of large for that. What do you guys think? This was, to me, I'm so happy that I didn't go through with the other purchase. And this tickles me. I like the idea of just having this little bit. So we good. Alright, on to a few other things that I bought. And these things have been sitting around. I haven't shown them to you guys. I don't know why, but I haven't. But I'm going to today. So I have never had anything from Marc Jacobs, but I went on, he had some kind of sale. They call it the markdown if you go on the Marc Jacobs website. And so I keep thinking I'm going to have lipstick on my teeth. But yeah, I went to Marc Jacobs online and this thing just really spoke to me. I'll tell you what I actually did. I went to 6pm.com, which is kind of a outlet type shoe, like Zappos throw-offs or something. I don't know. I bought a few things there. Be careful because they will charge you a restock or whatever, or I think you have to pay to ship it back. So if you have a return, They gonna charge. Okay, but anyway, I went on there and found this backpack for $30 or $40 more than they actually had it on the Marc Jacobs website. Just by happenstance, just by chance, I went on the actual Marc Jacobs website and found the same backpack for $30, $40 less. So let's do this. I think it was like half price. So I just love this thing. It's called the Pride backpack. So I just love the vibrant colors, the zipper. How cute is that, guys? The zipper is bright red. The pulls are this bright silky red. This is kind of embroidered. Got the blue here, and look, check it out. The little D-ring is purple. Let's see, this color is blue. So I just thought this was the cutest thing I have ever seen. That's not the best part of the backpack though. Wait for it. This is the best part. It says the backpack, Marc Jacobs, is not designed for hiking or climbing because we do not know the first thing about the great outdoors. It says everything about me right there in that one sentence. I'm saying, like, I had to. Like, this purple is beautiful. The yellow, the blue. I fell in love with these colors. I just thought this was the cutest thing. I'm actually going to put my stuff in there because, oh my gosh, she's so cute. And she wasn't very expensive, so I'm still on the better end of this whole return thing. Now, I'm going to blame Autumn Beckman for this one, too. And also Joshy Michael, because he unboxed it, then she unboxed it, and I was like, I have to have it. But Longchamp, if you ever order Longchamp from like Saks or one of the department stores, it just comes in, you know, as the item, maybe wrapped up in plastic and tissue. Going on the actual website of the designer, okay, in this case, Marc Jacobs and now Longchamp, I found these bags actually cheaper than I could on any other site as far as sites that carry those products. And the packaging was way nicer on this. So it comes in this little green envelope. It's got your little ribbon. Underneath is a lime green. And if you saw their channels, you already know what this is. Yes! So I got the one that is black with silver little, I want to call these fireworks. I'm not really sure. Stars, designs. I just thought this was the cutest thing. I think they both got the one that had like black embossed in here, which I thought was beautiful too. But when I went to get it, it was sold out because I did take a couple days after I saw Autumn's video. I was like, do I need it? Do I want it? What am I going to do? $115. I was like, yeah, she's sold. I got to get it. And I think this was pretty soon after that they went goodbye forever. So I just love, love, love this. Of course, Longchamp, good in all the weather. But it's got your black rolled handles. Everything is as it should be on this bag. It smells so good. You know, I have to sniff everything. Well, almost everything. Okay, yes, girl. It's got a little pocket in here. I mean, she's cute. She's got a little pocket here. Look at me like I know Longchamp. I've only got one other thing and a little coin pad. I don't have much Longchamp. Oh, wait, I've got that little, how soon I forget about my tiny little bag. Oh, yeah. But, yeah, if you're going to look for luxury things, go on the actual websites and check there first because you might get a better deal and you get better packaging. So, yes. Okay, guys, sorry we had a camera malfunction. One of these days I'll stop spending all my money on bags and invest in a good camera. Okay, so I don't know how much we saw the last thing. I'm just going to pick up where I think I left off. So anyway, my friend emailed me and said, girl, get on the Tory Burch website because she's having a huge sale right now. And this has been, I want to say this has been 2 months ago that I've had this. But I bought a couple things. But this one thing, remember I bought this bag? I actually bought this bag in a different color and a different material back, I don't know, what to say, 3 months ago. But this time I went on there and this was a really good deal. And this is the great big one. My other one is the medium size or the smaller size tote. But I got the Ella Puffer tote in this electric blue, which I love blue. They had, I want to say they had black and I don't remember the other color, but I just thought this was so cute and so beautiful. So when wintertime rolls around and everything's all good again, I am definitely carrying this. Now don't get it twisted, I'm not a puffer coat gal. I was telling my friend this morning, like, that is a bridge too far for this girl. Like, I want to add 25 pounds to my body. No, we wouldn't take away, but yeah, I'm not. Well, first of all, I've never really found a puffer coat to fit me. It's just sad. But yeah, but this will be cute. I think this is totally cute. And I'll probably carry the heck out of this. I usually get into a winter bag like I did that girl and carried it for a couple months. I usually get into that mode like, I'm going to carry this every day. So anyway, that is my small haul for today. I have some Coach items I need to show you. Another Tory Burch item. Maybe two. I can't remember, but I don't think so. But anyway, I got a lot of good stuff coming up. Tory Burch to me, though, when they go on sale, like Tory Burch is almost, to me, between Coach, although Coach is increasing in price. I looked at something today. They sent a little email out, I guess, or a little text message out today, and it was like, oh, we got some new things in. And so I went on there, and some of the stuff was like, you know, clearance for $320. And I was thinking, like, Coach, don't do me like that. No, we're not trying to spend no. I guess I would if it was something I just really, really loved, like the field tote, but girl, but to me, Tory Burch, what I was saying is, I think that Tory Burch is kind of, it's contemporary, but I feel like it's almost in between. Like Louis Vuitton is up here, then you got Tory Burch and then Coach, and then your Michael Kors and all that. To me, Dooney and Burke, like the more affordable. But to me, Tory Burch, and I really don't think I would buy some Tory Burch unless it was on a really good sale. I think that stuff is, to me, a little mid-price, not here where the Coach stuff is. So, and that's neither here nor there. I just wanted to pass that along to you, my thoughts on Tory Burch. But Tory Burch for the win. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll probably post something Monday or Tuesday. And until then, until we meet again, please, if y'all see my husband, don't tell him nothing. Bye.